Hello friends. Hey. So today is 16th of June 2020 and we are walking in a kind of small forest area in Eindhoven. It is near to Tongal Reef and you can see the stream flowing. You will love the nature over here. It's beautiful, full of greeneries all around, and it's adventurous. I'm liking to walk down small trails. You can see the trails, footpath, and the greeneries all around.
Lush greenery.
Yeah.
It's so refreshing to do this in the morning.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You can hear the bird chirping. We are getting deeper. And then we are also going to hit the highway. You can see the beautiful stream. Very wild. See the forest. And the beautiful trees which are planted in line. And then we are hitting the highway. Yeah, it's so close to the highway, but yet so green and beautiful. You should come over here and enjoy the nature. Bye bye. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, do subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.